Hi, my name is Yosup Kim, and I work with my partner Cesar Diaz Blanco to create this app called DogCatToe. I was in charge of the UI of the board, and then creating the logic of how you can win this game. So first of all, when you open the app, it brings you to this screen where player 1 gets to choose 5 pictures, one picture of 5 random pics of dogs, and player 2 get to choose one picture of 5 random pictures of cats. Like that. And then you press start game. The layout for this game was I did a 6x4 layout of buttons. So when you click on a button, you start with the dog, and then when the second player presses the button, it puts the cats down. So the dog is always the first player. So the one of the ways to win this game is you either get 6 going down like this. And when you do that, it gives you this message, brings you back to the home screen. Or you can do 4 going horizontally, bringing you this message. It will bring a similar message when you win with the cat. But then another thing is that tic-tac-toe draws are very common. So when you do draw, it brings you this message telling you there was a draw and no winner. One thing that I forgot to mention is that there's a button right here. If you press this button, call set new game, it brings you back to the home screen. We decided to do this DogCatToe idea because we thought it would be fun or kind of new to have a tic-tac-toe game with characters. And we decided to do dogs and cats because we were both pet lovers. The main way we collaborated was through Discord. As you know, there was the coronavirus, so we couldn't really have any time to work together. And then we did upload to GitHub, but then we had some problems, so we kind of created new repositories in there to actually share the code, because we have problem pulling the codes from the original GitHub.
Okay, so here is my project for CS 125. The name of the final project is DogCatToe. As you can see here, player 1 can choose dogs and player 2 can choose cats. We can also get some new pets, because if you don't like those pets, you can get new pets. So for example, here we're gonna choose that dog, hold that one, and this cat. The start game, and as you can see here, it actually loads those images of the cats. So I was in charge. My roles were UI, like implementing UI of the main activity or the pet selection screen, and also implementing the new library called Picasso. Is here. That one works for implementing the images into the buttons. And I also got the implementation of Volley for the APIs of the dogs images and the cat images. Here's the code. As you can see here, that one is like unwrapping the JSON object, and it was different for the dog API. It was called message. The URL was message, and the name for the cat API was file.